Okay, let's see, the panel's back on, as you can see. Kind of dark in there. Anyway, panel's back on. Okay, now we're gonna shut the door. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's try it. Oh, I'll be darned. It opens. Okay, there we go. There we go. (2004) Nissan Armada Pathfinder, first year of the Pathfinder. Check the door. Oh, it's my dog's emergency kit. Okay, there we have it. Panel came off and went on pretty easily. Let's lock and unlock it. There we have it. Done. Took me about an hour. Okie dokie. Somebody had to get a picture of the inside of that thing. All the websites I went on, there was no pictures. You couldn't see the cable, so you can get a picture of what you're supposed to do. Couldn't see the actuator, where to put the lubrication, so I did all that. Silicone lubed it, put extra in there. Locked and unlocked it several times to work it in, and then I put some more, and that completes the repair.